Hey bud, are you watching these politicians today?
They are all just a bunch of dinosaurs. We need new and younger blood to get us back on our feet financially and improve our image around the world.
Young people today, if they want to serve as a congressman or congresswoman or senators, unless they are rich, they have to sell their soul to get enough money just to run today.
Big corporations and lobbyists now spend all the money they want to get their people elected. How can a common sense, young wannabe even have a chance to show what they can do?
Even the Supreme Court is making it easier for corporations to get their influence into the political arena.
Are there any real common sense politicians out there? I think that Donald used common sense when it came to our dealings with China, but he is not running.
I think that is the problem. Big corporations do not want anyone who uses common sense to get anywhere near Congress or the Senate, never mind the White House.
How about those teabaggers? They will take us backwards, especially with some women's issues and on rights.
Well heck, let's start something new. We will call them new baggers. We just aim straight down the middle and get all the independents, and it will be very interesting.
Well, I am sure of one thing: we cannot give up. This country is too great and we will make it work.